In this video, we'll be doing the questions from the Olympiad. All the questions are taken from the previous year question papers. So do watch the video till the end. So here we have a first question. So you can pause the video and you can find the solution. And let's start now. Here we are having a minus sign between these two terms, right? So we cannot cancel up and down. When we are having a multiply sign, then only we can cancel. So what do you think, how can we do this question? So generally in these kind of question we will take the common. So what we can take common here, from the numerator we can take 3 raised to power n as common. So what will left here, it is 3 raised to power n plus 1, and 3 raised to power n we have taken common. So we will left with 3 raised to power 1 or only 3, minus 3 raised to power n we have taken outside, so it will be minus 1. Now same way denominator also we can take common 3 raised to power n, and we will left with 3 raised to power 2 inside, and minus 3 raised to power n we have taken common, so we will left with 3 raised to power 1 or 3. Now you can cancel 3 raised to power n. Now this is in the multiplication, right? So you can cancel it. So we have cancelled 3 raised to power n from numerator and denominator both. Now you will left with, on the numerator it is 3 minus 1, that is 2, and in denominator we are having 3 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2 means 3 into 3, that is 9, minus 3. So we'll get 2 by 6, and if you will reduce 2 by 6, you will get the answer as 1 by 3. So this D is the correct answer. Yeah, so again you can pause the video and try to find the answer. So now let's see. Now here we are having a third term. This is the first term, because plus means plus and minus symbol means there are the separate terms. Here it is multiply, so this term is a one term, right? So now by seeing the first term, 3 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3, you will immediately get that we have done a law. A raised to power m whole raised to power n is nothing but a raised to power m into n. So same you can apply over here. So this is 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 3, right? So this will be 3 raised to power 2 into 3, that is 3 raised to power 2 into 3, that is 3 raised to power 6. So we can write here it as 3 raised to power 6 plus 2 by 3 raised to power 0. You know any number whose power is 0 will give you 1. So 2 by 3 raised to power 0 will give you 1. Now here 3 raised to power 5, and again you can apply a law here. A by b whole raised to power m is nothing but a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. So same law you will apply. 1 by 3 whole raised to power 4, which will be 1 raised to power 4 means 1 itself, and 3 raised to power 4. Now here 3 raised to power 5, and denominator we are having 3 raised to power 4. So this will get cancelled, only 1 3 will left in the numerator, right? And 3 raised to power 6, you can multiply 3 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. When you multiply 3 6 times, you will get as 729. So 3 raised to power 6 will give you 729 plus 1, and here 3 raised to power 4 we cancelled it, so here we are left with 3. So 729 plus 1 730 plus 3 is 733. So here the answer is C. So next question we have, if 27 raised to power y is equals to 9 by 3 raised to power y, and we have to find the value of y. These kind of questions, whenever the value of y in this kind of question, you have to equate the powers, but you can equate the powers only when the bases are same. So what we can do here, we have to make the bases same. So what we can do, 27 raised to power 3 3 raised to power 3 will give you 27, right? So we can write 27 as 3 raised to power 3, and 27 raised to power y means 3 raised to power 3 whole raised to power y. And here also we can change 9 as 3 raised to power 2, and down we have 3 raised to power y. Now our first main thing is we have to make the bases same. So how can we write it as 3 raised to power, like we are using the law here, whichever law you are using you have to mention it here. A raised to power m whole raised to power n will give you a raised to power m into n. So same law you can use here, a raised to power m raised to power n, that is a raised to power m into n. So 3 into y, and here you are using the law a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m minus n. So here 3 raised to power, here bases are same, right? 3 and here 3. So you can write 3 raised to power m minus n, that means 2 minus y. Now we have made the basis as same. Here 3 raised to power 3y equals to 3 raised to power 2 minus y. Now bases are same, we can always equate the powers. So now once we will get the algebraic equation 3y equals to 2 minus y. Now it becomes very easy to solve. So 3y, if you will take this y, it will become plus. So 3y plus y will be 4y equals to 2, and then y equals to 2 by 4, that means 1 by 2. So here our answer is C, 1 by 2. So do let me know if you want to see more Olympiad questions in the comment box. We'll do in the next video. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe and share my channel.